This sequence flow that I've put together for you is great hip opener, stretching the back of the legs and challenging your balance. Great for runners and anybody who wants an overall workout. And you can choose how many rounds you want to do. And what I like about this sequence is it is for the everyday body, so you don't have to be a gymnast to do this, and it's a great workout. So let's start. Hi, I'm Al from Yoga Gangeya.co.za, and you are at the right place if you want to heal your body and mind with yoga. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it, and you will be notified as soon as I upload any new videos. And don't forget to grab the tip of the day at the end of this video. Come to the front of your mat. Make sure there is space in front of you. Legs about hip width apart. Inhale, bring the hands into Namaste Mudra. Exhale and inhale, stretch your arms straight up, hands together and bend slightly back. Inhale straight, exhale, bend to the left. Keep the hips above the ankles. Inhale, straight up. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, up. Exhale, straight back, forward fold. Look up, straight back. Hands down, jump or step into plank. Exhale into down dog. Adjust if you need to. Bring the left foot forward into equestrian. Hands down, straight back, look forward. Right toes under, come up in high lunge. Hands in Namaste and twist to the left. Stack the shoulders. Keep the hands in the middle of the chest. Inhale, center, change legs in down dog, right leg up, bring the right leg forward, into equestrian. Inhale, hands in Namaste, in high lunge, keep the back leg straight, twist to the right. Inhale, high lunge, hands down, back into down dog. Prepare yourself for 8-pointed salute. You can all first put the knees down and then the chest and chin, or if you feel stronger, then you can place down the knees, chin and chest at the same time. Hold your breath in, exhale as you slide down, hands under shoulders, into cobra. Look up, don't pinch the shoulders up. Exhale, roll down, press into down dog. From down dog, we're going to go into chaturanga. If that's too strong for you, you can do 8-pointed salute. Exhale, come into plank and into chaturanga. Before you reach the floor, up into up dog. Do not touch the floor, thighs up, toes flat. Exhale, roll over the toes into down dog. From here, you're going to lift the left leg and bring the left leg forward into warrior one. Try to get your left thigh parallel to the floor. You can all look up at the hands, or if that's too strong for your neck, look straight forward. Exhale, open up to the left, twist and get hold of the back leg with the left hand. Look at the back leg, right arm straight up. For twist, revolve, warrior one. Back into warrior one and then into warrior two. Look at the left fingers, relax your arms. Inhale, exhale, warrior one. And on an exhalation into warrior three. Make sure there's enough space in front of you. Pivot, keep the hips parallel to the floor. Do not lift the right hip. Exhale, pivot back, place the right foot down into warrior one. Hands down to the floor, change legs in down dog. Now we're going to do the right side, right leg up, forward into warrior one. Try to get your right thigh parallel to the floor. Inhale, exhale, open to the right, get hold of the back leg, look at the back leg, and the left arm curve back, twist to the right. Inhale, warrior one, exhale, warrior two. Look at the right fingers, relax your shoulders. Inhale, exhale, warrior one, prepare yourself for warrior three. Find your spot on the floor to keep your balance, keep the hips down. Inhale, exhale, back leg down into warrior one. Hands down, back into down dog. Hop or step forward onto the tippy toes. Bring your right shins down to the floor and the left foot next to the right knee. Inhale, exhale, twist to the left. Inhale straight and exhale, twist to the right. Look back. When you are done, inhale, come back to center. Change legs by using your hands on the carpet, or to challenge yourself, don't use your hands at all. Sit on the left heel now. Exhale and reverse twist to the right. Look back. Feel the stretch in the shoulder blades. Inhale, straight. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Use your hands or make it more challenging by not using your hands. Come onto tippy toes, hands in namaste. Stay here, balance. And slowly come to standing. Very, very slow. Slower than slow. Well done. One round completed. Now for round two, we're going to do it a little bit faster this time. I'm going to speed it up. Inhale, arms up, curve slightly to the back. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, forward fold, flat back, look up. Step or jump back into plank. Exhale into down dog. Bring the left leg forward into equestrian. Look forward. Back into high lunge. Namaste mudra. Inhale, exhale as you twist to the left. Inhale, center. Hands down. Change in down dog. Right leg come forward. Untuck the back toes into equestrian. Up into high lunge. Twist to the right. Inhale, center, hands down, down dog. 8 pointed salute, slide down, cobra, exhale, down, push back into down dog. Chaturanga or 8 pointed salute into up dog. Toes down, thighs up in the air. Roll over the toes into down dog. Left leg forward into warrior one. Open up to the left for warrior, revolve, twisted, warrior one. Look at the back leg, warrior one, and into warrior two. Inhale, and as you exhale into warrior one, and prepare yourself warrior three. Bring the back leg back into warrior one. Hands down, and we change legs in down dog. Right leg comes forward into warrior one, and we're going to open up to the right and twist to the right, back into warrior one, and open up to the left for warrior two. Warrior two, we're going to go into warrior one. Prepare yourself warrior three, pivot forward, back leg down, warrior one, and down with the hands on the mat into down dog. Jump or step forward, tippy toes. Place the right shins down. Inhale and exhale as we twist to the left. Look back. Inhale straight, exhale, twist to the right. Inhale straight, change legs. Sit on the left shin. Inhale, exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, center, exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, center. Use your hands or not. Come onto your tippy toes into a squat. Keep your balance. Stay on the tippy toes as you slowly start to come up. Extremely slow. All the way up into standing. Well done. Tip of the day. Now, when you do a sequence like this, it is great because you can choose how long you want to hold each pose. Now, we didn't hold them too long in this video, but you can maybe do the first round very slow and hold each pose for 5 breaths or even longer. Or as soon as you are warmed up, you can start doing it faster, doing it 1 breath, hold it only for 1 breath. So that will speed it up. So what I would suggest is for runners, I mean, you've just finished your running, so you've done already a lot of cardio. So maybe you don't want to do it fast. So you want to maybe hold each pose. And the slower you do it, the more you hold it, the more difficult it is. So for runners, you might hold it for 5 breaths or more. That will help you regain your breathing pattern after your running, and it will also stretch deeper in that specific position or pose. And if you're not a runner and you do want to get your heart rate a little bit up, then only hold it for 1 breath and do a couple of rounds. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave comments in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and give me the thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Ariyom Tat Sat.